your boy Serrano. Welcome back to another video. And so today's video, we're going to be taking a look at the XbotGo AI Cameraman. Make sure you guys stay locked into the end of the video because we're going to be going through all the features and then we're going to be testing it in real life performance. And this is basically made for tracking, it has auto tracking, and it could record games via the free app called XbotGo. And it's going to give you free live streaming for, Facebook, YouTube, and more. It has a free cloud-based storage, no subscription or hidden fee. And this can support basketball, soccer, and more with no monthly app update fee. So it's a free monthly app and basically has a lot of features on here. So we're going to check it out. But right here, this is a gimbal right here that I also have with this called the Tripod T1. So we're going to test it out with the XbotGo. So right here, I have it in this color right here. It comes in like a white color, and it's also got some pretty nice weight to it. So let's go ahead and take a look at what comes inside the box. All right, so lifting it up, and you're greeted with a pretty cool looking instructions on how to set it up. And if you do want the one with the remote controller, it's going to cost you like, $15 more. So this does have some really cool features to it. Like I said, it is $229.99 without the remote control, but as far as the features, it's going to be pretty cool because you're going to be able to capture some sports on here. It gives you different player tracking, auto highlight editing, stuff like that. It says right here, capture every thrill of the moment from a bird's eye view. So you get soccer mode, football mode, all the different sports right here. So it has pretty cool tracking algorithms built in with it, hands-free recording, AI powered. Also gives you storage on here so you could play around with that. Just want to go ahead and take a look at what comes in the box real quick. So you get your user manual. You also do get a bag right here, little carrying bag, so you could put the gimbal inside of here. You get a charging cable and like a little lanyard. So we're gonna go ahead and take this out. And then you also have the bottom part right here. Let's go ahead and take that out. So that's everything that comes inside the box. To do is click this one, and this is for the XbotGo. So it's going to work with the gimbal. Then you go ahead and then you download it into the smartphone after you download it. So this is what it would look like when I'm actually holding the gimbal. And yeah, I'm going to go outside and do some live recording. Let's see. You could change it to this mode if you want to record in this mode as well. Take a look at what comes inside of here, and then we'll go ahead and test this out. So it does come in a nice bag, which is actually really good. And then so you can see how portable it is and easy to travel with. It is. And so yeah, this is pretty much it. And so yeah, let's test out the tripod along with we're going to test the tripod out with the gimbal. You're going to get the tripod, which is adjustable, so you can see the legs do stretch out a substantially long amount. It doesn't require any clamp, so it's very quick when it comes to the setup. So you can see right here, it comes to this tripod right here, so you can quickly mount the gimbal to it when you're in a sports event, or if you're just trying to capture or track somebody, or if you're just trying to film yourself, you're still going to get that nice setup right here. So you can see right here, all you have to do is screw that on, and then you easily can go ahead and start recording. So it says start recording. Okay, cool. So it is tracking me right now. So this is the track me mode on the XbotGo. It also does have a variety of different sports modes, but this is definitely going to be good for when you want to you know, walk around in different outdoor situations, and you could still get an idea of how it's gonna look when you are walking around and it's tracking you. Hey, what's up? I am testing out the XbotGo right now in an outdoor environment. So right now I have it on tracking mode. And so sometimes every now and then it'll lose track of where I'm at, but it'll eventually gain focus again on me. You can actually set this up just like a tripod and hook it up, and it's going to automatically sense everybody in that sport. You could choose which sport you want. So they give you a bunch of sports on here to actually choose from: basketball, soccer, you know, things like that. And it works with iOS as well as Android. It's also going to support live streaming as well. So it's going to be a nice little artificial intelligent gimbal that can actually track you when you're moving around in an outdoor environment. Let's say you just want to film stuff and you don't have anybody to film it for you. You can track yourself doing different stuff, like different sports and things like that. So you could basically have your own cameraman. So yeah, we're gonna test this out in the outdoors. I'm gonna, you know, hook it up and do some tests. So make sure you guys stay locked into the end of the video. But if you're still here, just type down below, I'm still here, so I know it's still cooking it with me. And I just want to remind you to hit the like button so we can get this video out to more people and help boost the engagement. All right. Now I'm using the HF mode to record me in the front. So this mode actually keeps track of where you're moving the tripod, and it keeps you in the frame so that when you're recording, everything will always be in the frame as long as you have it pointed towards you. So that's the HF mode. This is the LF mode. So this one will keep you out of the frame, and it allows you to actually go in the frame. And if I turn it all the way back to that angle, now you can see what's behind me, and you can see what's in front of me. And then if I turn it the other way, you can see what's behind me this way. Now let's try the other one. This is going to be the first person view. So the first person view will tilt and turn, not just turn. Alright guys, I'm controlling the tripod manually now. And yeah, all the modes seem to work just as advertised. Alright, so I'm finally getting it to look around. And so this mode that I got it to look around on is the HF mode. And so it's automatically tracking the game. So now this is how I wanted it to look. So this is going to give you an example of how it's going to track. And it's starting to, okay, there we go. It's keeping up. with the action automatically. So here are my final thoughts on the Xbot AI Sports Gimbal. It's a really good auto tracking gimbal, especially when it comes to tracking team sports. And so this includes basketball, soccer, live streaming, portable, and foldable. It also supports iOS and Android, making it very, convenient for both, platforms. It will have four different modes and also a rotating option on there, as well as the ability to change the orientation. You could also do long distance tracking, which allows you to do Follow Me 2.0 technology with the gesture feature, which is really cool. And then you have the ability to have unlimited storage in the cloud. So I think that's also something that's awesome. For $229, this is going to be an awesome deal. But let me know what you guys think about the XbotGo AI Sports Gimbal. And if you're still here, just type down below I'm still here, so I know you're still kicking it with me. And I just remind you to hit the like button so we can get this video out to more people and help boost the engagement. I'll hit you back. I'll check you guys later. Peace.